Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today I'm doing a noseband for Lohamora's English Bridle. And we're going to do, it's a pretty basic one. We're going to use some white suede, and I just want to line it right along her nose, probably right along there. So that's the first thing I need to do is figure out how much of this white suede I need. We need to figure out where we want the white, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be this distance here. Just because I've done these quite a few times. And you don't really have to do anything on the noseband. This is just a really quick detail. Yeah, I'm going to go with that. That's the distance. So from that cut piece over, that's what I'm going to use. All right, so basically I just want a little bit of suede showing up on both sides. And then my buckle, I just want that to basically be under the chin. Yeah, that's about right. I'm not even sure how to tell you how to measure that. So we're going to put the glue on the back side. This is important because we're dealing with suede. So I'm putting the glue on the back side of the lace. And then I'm going to get the lace exactly where I want it. Now this only works if this area right here is a straight cut. If it's not a straight cut, you'll have to find a straight cut. I only usually do a little bit at a time. This used to be a bigger piece, but I've done enough of these nose bands of different sizes that you can do the brow band the same way. I've seen both. All right, so now we're going to get our best scissors. And I am going to cut about the same distance as the other one. And that cut happened to be exactly right. So now what I might do is kind of buttress these edges so they're not exactly at a point. Just a little bit off like that. I don't have anything on my scissors. Okay, so that suede can be put away. And the other thing I might do, which I don't often do, usually I just wrap loops. For the headstall, I just wrap loops. But I think for this one, I'm going to make little slits in here, and I'm going to slip my and then I will slip my straps in there. Now these are a little thick, so I will want to kind of give them a quick little skive. It's not the best skiving surface, but all right. And then I'll do a little slit. And then open up that slit. So I can tuck that in there. This makes it harder to get the bridle off because you can't just move the pieces on the noseband, but now I can go ahead and glue that. There we go. The only thing left would be a keeper. To hold my buckle in place. Or to hold my buckle strap in place. So sometimes these are a pain. All right. I know, not a lot of talking. You can see me do that sometimes, where I just take a little bit off and it's on my pinky nail. But yeah. And there we go. That is our finished noseband for Alohamora's English Bridle. Thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell all your horsey friends about this channel so they can enjoy it too. And have yourself a really good day.